Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your default address in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this button that says Accounts and List. The button's right there on the top right section, right next to Returns and Orders. Once you click on it, well, you can see something like this. Well, there are lots of options, but worry not. Let's simply go to your address. From here, we can edit, remove, or set default address. I'm gonna click on the button right here. Then as you can see, currently I have two addresses, and this right here is the default. Let's say I want to change this one to the default right now. In this tab of this specific address, at the bottom right, you can see something like Set as Default. Simply click on it right now. And guys, as you can see, the default address has been changed. And guys, that's about it. That's how you change your default address in your Amazon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.